I start by drawing generic guidelines for the face based on the Loomis method. Then I begin defining some of the features with some dark tones. Block in the infamous bangs, add midtones, soften some of the edges using the blend tool, fix the width of the head using a liquefier. From this point onwards, it's just a question of refining edges. I'm using only one layer and 2 brushes. And both the brushes are based on the default soft brush with very minor tweaks. And the reason I'm not playing around with multiple layers and different lighting effects and all manner of digital trickery is because I'm basically using this exactly like I would use oil paint or even charcoal.